Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Kia Cerato 2015, the one belonging to the generation 12 and 16. So the car came with the factory standard radio, which we already removed, and you can see it here, the radio and the frame. And currently it is fit with a very nice 9-inch touchscreen full setup of wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and including Full HD anti-glare Super night vision reverse camera. The camera is fitted nicely at the back center of the tailgate. So just you can see the camera right here in the middle under the Kia icon logo, and it's beautifully fit. It is fully adjusted, and the angle of view is at the best. And also all of the 8 buttons for the steering wheel control works very well into the new system, just like factory. So you have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons. Okay, all good, all working well. And we also fit 2 USB port hidden in the car as well. So it certainly will bring a very happy smile on the face of the owner when they're coming for collection soon in next half an hour. Actually, the car belonging to a friend of our customer who already came back and brought back many different cars for himself and his friends, because they just said that they love what we are doing and they love the system. So thanks again for the trust in our business. And here you go, 9-inch full package for the Kia Cerato. And now just have a look here on the camera. You see how sharp, how detailed, how wide angle, and how colorful the camera is. It's super, it's beautiful. It's so clear, so sharp. Yep, that's about the camera, and it works day and night beautifully. So thanks again for watching this one, and see you on another one.